How was your day?
It was a long day for me. I was super busy at work. I didn't even get a chance to eat lunch.
What are your plans for today?
I'm going to stop by the mall after work to buy some presents for my parents. It's their anniversary.
Where are you from?
I grew up in New York, but I was born in Canada.
Do you live around here?
Yes, I live 5 minutes away from here. I just moved here from Canada.
How have you been feeling today?
I'm feeling good. We just finished a big project at work. My coworkers and I are going to the bar to celebrate after work. Do you want to join us later?
What have you been doing today?
I did a lot of errands today. I dropped the kids off at school. I went to the bank, then I stopped by the post office to ship out something. I'm a little bit exhausted.
Has anything exciting happened today?
No, not really. I went straight home after work.
What are you planning for after work?
I'm going home to make dinner. Then maybe watch a movie afterward.
Are you doing anything fun after work?
Yes, my coworkers and I are going to a nice restaurant to celebrate my birthday. Do you want to come with us?
What do you do in your free time?
I like to read, go to the mall, and watch movies.
What's your favorite thing to do around here on the weekends?
I love to go to the beach and hiking.
Where's the last place you traveled? What did you do there?
My family and I went to Florida last month. We visited all the theme parks. We had so much fun there.
What kind of work do you do?
I'm a financial analyst. I work for King County for about 5 years already.
What do you love about your job?
My work offers great benefits and a flexible schedule. I also work with an awesome group of people.
What was your first job? Did you like it?
My first job was a bank teller. I love it because you get to interact with so many people.
What kind of food do you prefer eating when you eat out?
I love Italian food, especially pasta.
If you could only eat one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be?
I could eat pasta all day every day. I never get tired of eating pasta.
Are there any foods that you absolutely would not eat?
I don't eat meat, so anything that has meat in it.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love to cook. I love to make all kind of pasta dishes.
Do you like pets? Do you have any?
Yes, I love pets. I have a dog named Benji.
What are your hobbies or special interests?
I love to cook and go hiking.
What was the last movie you have seen?
I saw Frozen 2 last month. I love animation movies.
What superpower would you most like to have, and why?
The ability to slow down time. There are so many places that I want to visit, but not enough time.
If you could try any kind of activity, what activity would you try?
I would say skydiving. I want to experience the feeling of jumping out of an airplane.
What sports do you like to watch? What is your favorite team?
I love to watch basketball. My favorite team is the Lakers. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.